sometime or the other, maybe with our friends or family members, we've encountered a person who's very introvert, reserved, shy nature, does not like to talk to many people. And today our topic is very much related to it. So it's about a topic which says, talk about an introvert person you know. The follow-up questions are as in sub-questions. Who is this person? How do you know them? What makes them introvert, as in the basic qualities? Why do you think he's an introvert person, he or she? And how do you feel about them? So let's quickly begin with the topic. But before beginning with the topic, my name is Chetan and welcome to my channel, English with CD. So let's start, guys. So when we talk about an introvert person, the thoughts run several ways. However, if I have to zero down on one particular person, I'd say he's a very close friend of mine. His name is Jay. Now, when I talk about him, he is a person who tries to shirk away from crowds and makes efforts that he does not get an opportunity to even interact to anyone. And sometimes he becomes so reserved that he does not want to even talk to people whom he knows very well. Because he has this inhibition in himself that if I talk to people, they may pinpoint on me about something or the other, which he would not be able to then adjust to. Now, if I talk about him as a nature, he's very nice. He's kind-hearted. He likes helping people. He is actually into a lot of philanthropic activities as well. I'll tell you about a scenario. A few days ago, we were on the road and there were some people begging for money. And they were selling something. I don't remember that exactly now. And he went ahead and bought that thing. So at that time, he wasn't having that much money. Still, he took that initiative, bought that thing just to make sure that he's helping someone. He is that kind of a person, very helpful. Other than that, I feel I have been knowing him since 7th or 8th grade. He was my schoolmate and now we talk not very often. I'd say seldom nowadays because he's busy with his own schedule. I'm busy with my own schedule. However, whenever we talk, he has a great understanding towards me. Whatever I say him, although he's not very expressive, but he understands me very well, and this is what makes him apart. And overall, I'd say it's very rare to have such wonderful friends around you whom you know will always support you no matter how good or bad the time is. And of course, with him, I feel the same. So thank you so much for your time, guys. And before I wrap up, I would like to give you a few vocabulary words which I use. Now, I use the word in the beginning, shirking. So shirking means shying away, to take a break from something, we can say. And in the beginning also, I used one idiom to wrap up other things. So try to be a little informal, not very formal, and make sure your rate of speech is not too high and not too slow. So maintain that pace. And also, sometimes it happens that we forget the topic in between while speaking. Do not worry on that part as well. Just make sure that you're remembering the main headline of the topic. Like for this, it was an introvert person. So if you're remembering that part also, your job is done. So this is for today, guys. Thank you so much for your time and you have a great day ahead. Bye-bye.